Good morning, I'm Miss Hindali. I will be teaching you science this year. Hope you enjoy science with me, and now let's start. How will you measure your temperature, the wind, and a book? These things are different, so they need different measuring tools. Today's lesson is about measuring tool. Now repeat after me. Measuring tool, measuring tool, measuring tool. The first measuring tool we have is thermometer. Now repeat after me. Thermometer, thermometer, thermometer. Before we start talking about the thermometer, we need to talk a little about the temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold is something. And to figure out what the temperature is, we need to use a thermometer. So again, to figure out what the temperature is, we need to use a thermometer. To figure out what the temperature is, we need to use a brown thermometer. The amount of red you see on the thermometer shows how hot or cold it's outside. When we see a tall red line, this means that the temperature is very warm or hot. And when the red line is short, this means that the temperature is very cold. When the temperature is hot, we can go swimming and we can go to the beach. And when the temperature is cold, we can play in the snow and we would wear coats. Now look at these two thermometers and answer. What is temperature? What would you do outside in this temperature? And what would you wear in this temperature? Think a little and then comment below with your answers. And the second measuring tool we have is anemometer. Now repeat after me. Anemometer, anemometer, anemometer. When air moves, that's what we call wind. Although we can see wind, we can feel it and see it blowing leaves and flags. So, can we see wind? No. Can we feel it? Yeah. But how can we see it? If you want to see the wind, you can see it blowing leaves and flags. The faster the wind, the more quickly the cups on the anemometer spin around. You may ask yourself why it's so important to know the speed of the wind. It's important to know the speed of the wind because the faster the wind is, the more damage it can do. The last measuring tool we have is ruler. Now repeat after me. Ruler, 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 ruler. Long back, do you know how people used to measure lengths of objects? They use their palm, forearm, and feet to measure length of the object, but these methods never give accurate results. So, long back, they use their palm, forearm, and feet, but these methods never give accurate results. Nowadays, we use ruler to measure the accurate length of the object. So, to measure the accurate length of the object, we use what? We use ruler. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need anything to ask about, just comment me below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.